crystal clear that he could able to see the reflections of the sun so clearly. The moment he decided to fetch some water, he saw some bullock cart was passing through that on a side lane, and the mud was all around, and he felt this water is not suitable for the monk to drink. So he came back and he was discussing with the entire scene with his monk, and monk said, don't worry, you just wait some time, go back and now wait for some time and fetch the water, it will be clear. So the disciple, after hearing his monk's feedback, and he came back and he waited for a few minutes, and he found the water was clear again. So he fetched the water and went back to his monk and gave the water to quench his thirst. That time, while this monk was sipping the water, he was saying this to the disciple and all other people around him. He says, this water, what you saw in the river after this muddled and everything, is more like us in our heart, in our mind. Our mind is also like this. Whenever we went through a kind of a difficult situation or kind of an argument or kind of a critical feedback you get, you don't decide to act upon. Rather than reacting, you respond. He says, pause for a moment and decide later. Obviously, if you would have passed for a few more minutes and the water would have been clear again, when you do something at that moment, heat of the moment, it is always going to affect us. This is something I learned so much in the last few years of XCOM, or even in my office team also. I try my level best to pass and decide rather than just react at the moment. I'm sure this would give little insights for each one of us to pass and decide rather than react. We will respond. With this thought, I would like to start the meeting with introducing our round robin master. Since we don't have a guest today, maybe if anyone wanted to share a word or two with respect to, as an introduction, to have little good start, or we'll go straight go into the round robin.
Let's take a pause. What it is.
Okay.
Good morning, Tej.
Good morning. Okay, so we will go with the round robin master then. So we have a round robin master today, nothing but our